Hey, it's your dry skin. Every day we use ceramides I need to seal in moisture.
What's gooding to YouTube? It's your boy King2 Forex, and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. First of all, I just want to say thank you for 30 views on my last video. Shit means a lot, even though that shit was probably just an algorithm, but hey man, 30 views is 30 views. So in this video, I just want to talk about real quick about how you should not expect any applauses during your journey. Let me just get one thing straight with you, bro. Nobody gives a fuck about the grind. Nobody will give a fuck about it, and don't expect anybody to give a fuck about the grind. Your grind is your grind. It's called your for a reason. It's yours for a reason. This is the only part ain't nobody can take away from you. You feel me? You're the only person that can put in the work, and the only person that cannot put in the work. Meaning you choose to or you choose not to. And don't expect anybody to applaud you for that, because nobody fucking cares. And that's just reality. Everyone's stuck in their own world and whatever, you know, in their own mind and shit, in their own business, just like I am. And that's literally how the world should work. Everyone should just stop giving a fuck about everybody else's business and just focus on their own stuff. But unfortunately, a lot of us today like to put things out on the internet expecting an applause and from the internet, and we're just expecting too much from the internet. You know what I mean? For example, this YouTube channel, of course, I would like the subscribers, I'd like the views, it's dope. But this is really just for me to talk to myself, to just stop and just grind, bro. Nobody fucking cares until you win. And when you do win, those people, they're just gonna be envious, they're just gonna be jealous. And let that shit be, bro, because nobody can take that shit away from you. You feel me? I just want this channel to be enlightening for some people, to really just open their mind to just focus on your own journey, focus on improving your own self. Stop trying to create Discord groups for people when you're not even profitable for yourself. That's just my opinion, right? Stop trying to help other people on their journey. Stop trying to tell people what to do on their journey. Stop trying to do all these things for other people. Do these things for yourself. And that sounds so selfish, but do things for yourself. That's the only way you will improve. Fuck everyone else, fuck what they're thinking, fuck their opinions, fuck their actions, fuck everything. And just focus on your own self. Focus on improving your trading. Focus on improving your emotions while trading. Focus on everything that has to do with trading. Everything you can do. Just focus on everything you can do with your trading. You feel me? Just stop. Stop looking at other people for validation. Your validation is enough. You need your own validation. Once you get your own approval, you will skyrocket. Once you start seeing results, the results you came up with, the results you made, the results that came out from your hard work, once you see that shit, once you recognize yourself, once you start giving yourself awards for those type of improvements, you will skyrocket. Once you stop giving a fuck about everyone else's knickknacks and bullshit, just start loving the way you are, and that's it, homie. You gotta love yourself. I love myself because I know the type of person I am. You feel me? Nobody can take that away from me. And if you don't like the way I am, fuck you. That's it, bro. Like that's literally the game right there. That is the secret to winning life right there. And at the end, you know what? At the end of life, you'll realize that nobody was thinking about you in the first place. But that's a whole different story, right? But this is for people who are stuck in their own heads. asking for applauses from other people, asking for validation, asking for this, asking for that, either likes on Instagram, whether it be actual applauses from actual people, whatever it be, man. You gotta start doing your own shit, homie. Start doing shit for yourself. Start going on walks, clearing your own mind. Stop watching these dumbass YouTube videos. How to do this, how to that. Figure it out yourself. Stop joining Discord groups. Stop doing this, stop doing that. Just stop. Stop doing so much unnecessary shit. You feel me? You gotta love life the way it is, and you gotta hate it enough to change. Let me repeat myself. You have to love and hate your life enough to where you want to change, to where you want to stop blowing accounts, to where you want to start using fucking risk management, to where you want to stop cutting your winning trades, to where you want to stop moving your stop loss when you're in a losing trade. You have to love and hate yourself enough to change, to do that shit. You feel me? So I just wanted to end this video off by saying, people, no matter what you're doing, no matter what endeavor you're taking on, no matter how many things you change in your life, or whatever you want to, or whatever you do in your life, people, they're always gonna find a reason to say something, out of jealousy, you know, and that's just what comes with taking a different path in life. And you know what? You just have to take it as it goes, because that's just what it is. Take it as it is. And the only way to really move past that mentally, because I know this in the beginning this mentally affected me, really. But now as I move past through my journey, and as I grow and advance and everything, I come to the realization that you just have to prove them wrong. You just have to prove them wrong and prove yourself right. And do everything you possibly can to achieve your goal, whatever it may be. So, at all points in life, these things will happen to you, and that's just what it is. So, you just have to appreciate the beautiful things of life and take the ugly things as they go. So, stop waiting for applause, stop waiting for people to cheer you on. It's not gonna happen. And you know what? You will have that one friend that will genuinely care for you and will genuinely believe in you and whatever your goals you're trying to achieve and all that. And I say the same thing to those people. Don't really pay attention to that, because that will just make you even more comfortable. You have to take your own. If you think that you're doing enough, your own validation will be enough. If you know you're doing enough. Because if you're bullshitting yourself, your own validation will not suffice, and you will be looking for outside. So if you truly know what you are doing, what your endeavor is, and that you're doing the things that you can to achieve these goals, your own, listen to me, your own satisfaction is the only thing you need. You don't need anyone else's. Stop trying to satisfy people. You can't satisfy everyone. That's just life. That's just what it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, took something out of it, and just put in the work, bro. Just put in the work. Just keep working and keep your head down. Just keep working, because this shit ain't gonna be easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it. You gotta have the brains for this shit. Nah, I'm just kidding, but yeah. Peace out, man. Oh, and by the way, if you made it this far into the video, drop a monkey comment down below. Drop a little ape comment. Bye.